Keflavík traffic Delta 64 pushing back facing east on Alpha. Keflavík traffic Delta 64 taxiing, holding point Alpha 1 way Alpha. Keflavík traffic Delta 64 taking off runway 06. Keflavík traffic Delta 64 passing Bravo Lima Alpha November Kilo contacting Tokyo Center, good day. Delta 64 entering the airspace at flight level 040 heading 060 degrees, intentions are to land with information echo on board.
Delta 6430 identify turn right heading 03 correction 073 descend maintain 2000 feet speed at about 220.
Tokyo Center, I didn't quite get that, could you repeat?
Delta 6430 identify turn right heading 073 descend and maintain 2000 feet speed at or below 220.
Speed at or below 220 knots, turn right 073 degrees, descend maintain 2000 feet, Delta 64.
Delta 630, correction 6430, do you have a main flight?
Delta 64 runway in sight.
Delta 6430, clear IOS runway 31, waypoint established.
Holy, where did that echo come from? Delta 64 cleared ILS runway 31, report on establishment. Tokyo Center, Delta 64 established on ILS runway 31.
Delta 6438, contact runway
118.8, Delta 64, good day. Tokyo Tower, good day, correction, good evening. Delta 64 established on ILS and on final runway 31 with information echo on board.
Delta 64, 8 has changed to Foxtrot, but you're cleared to land runway 31.
Clear land runway 31 and Delta 64 information Foxtrot, requesting wind update.
Winds are 352 degrees at 13 knots.
Winds acknowledged, Delta 64.
Tokyo Tower, this is Air Canada 8579 requesting push and start.
Push and start approved, tail right on gate 7.
No shit.
Down to the right, push back, push and start approved. Tilt to the right, so most heading gate 7.
Delta 64, do you need to follow me?
Welcome to Tokyo International Delta 6430. What gate would you like to taxi to?
Delta 64, I'm gonna act like I did not see my own landing because that was kind of shit. Requesting taxi instructions, gate 10. Tokyo Tower, Delta 64, I have no idea what you mean by turn right on Alpha 7, because that's impossible if you're telling me to taxi via Alpha 10 Alpha. Like, I have to turn left on Alpha 7 if you want me to go to Alpha 7.
So about that, it's just for the taxiway for gate 1 and gate 2. There's not a taxiway for it, so just taxi if you're Alpha. Are you Alpha 10?
Holding short Bravo 10. Delta 64 Tokyo Tower, if it's is it possible if you can taxi via Bravo 10 Alpha gate 10?
Yeah, you can taxi via Bravo 10, Bravo Alpha 7 to gate 1.
I'm asking gate 10, gate 10.
Oh, 10, I thought you meant gate 1.
10.
Oh yeah, my bad. Sorry about that, Delta 6430. Yep, you can socially taxi to gate 10 via Alpha 10 and Alpha.
Tokyo Tower, Delta 64 taxiing via Bravo 10 Alpha gate 10.